Good morning, students. Myself J.K. Jha, St. Michael Academy, Betia, present here with a topic of mathematics for standard 7. Today we will discuss about the multiplication and division of decimals. Here we have we have already learned in our previous classes that how to multiply the numbers. In case of decimals, multiply the decimals number without decimal as whole numbers. As you were multiplying in the 5 classes, in the same way you have to multiply the numbers. But inserting the decimals is the main point. So that is why the second point is mark the decimal point counting in product, counting from right to left the total numbers of sum of decimal places. Multiply the given number and count the decimal places in both the numbers and insert it from right to left, counting it from right to left. You can make it more clear when you will insert the decimals. We have 2.5 into 2.5. You know that multiplying 25 by 25 is equal to 625. But we have to multiply 2.5 into 2.5, so the decimal will be inserted from right to left, 1 and 1 2. So 1 and 1 2, counting in the final result, count the numbers, decimal places, and put it from right to left counting. So 2.5 into 2.5 is equal to 6.25. Second one is 11.1 multiplied by 1.11. If we multiply 111 to 111, the result is 12321. Total number is 12,321. But here two digits, two decimal places are available, and in the first one decimal places are available. So 1, 2, 3. Counting it from the right, 1, 2, 3, we insert the decimals, and our product is result is 12.321. Now you can take a simple example, 0.3 multiplied by 0.3. So when 3 is multiplied by 3, the value is 9. But here the numbers are 1 and 1, 2, and we have only one number 9. So we put a 0 and make its counting 2 and then insert a decimal. Writing 0 from the left side of the decimal is not very important, but in generally we are putting a 0 also. Now this will make your concept more clear. 20.456 multiplied by 11. Result is 225.016, because in the first one 1, 2, 3 decimal places are available, but in the second one 0.6 and 0.1, two decimal places are available. So the product numbers are same in the product, but inserting the decimals in the first case we are inserting after the three places 1, 2, 3, because the numbers are 1, 2, 3. But in the second one, 1 and 1, 2 decimal places are available. So counting from the right, we will insert the decimal just after the two digit, and the result is 2250.16. In this, inserting the decimal point is the main factor. Multiplication you already know. In this way, we can insert the decimal at the right place and get our result. Now, the second one is division of the decimals. If we have to divide a number by 10, 100, 1000, it is very easy. 7 divided by 10, write the number and put the decimal counting the zeros just after one digit. If it is 7 by 100, write the number, count the zeros 1 and 2 and put a 0 and write the put the decimals. If it is divided, 7 is divided by 1000, then the number of zeros is 3. So write 7 and put 2 zeros, then insert the decimals. So if it is divided by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, it is very easy to count the number of zeros and insert the decimals. But if we have to divide 13.6 by 4, then divide the 13 first. It will be 4 3 are 12. Then remainder will be 1. Now the decimal starts. So insert the decimal and then divide 16 by 4. 4 for the 16, the result is 3.4. Again 17.5 divided by 3.5. Here you may see the numbers after the decimals in the upper part and lower part both are 1 and 1. So same number of decimal parts are available in the divisor and dividend both. That is why the decimals will be disappeared if the equal number are available in the right hand side, and the result will be 175 by 35, and we can divide it in the simple division method and get the result 5. Now divide 0.72 by 8. Only decimal parts are available, so write the decimal first, then divide the 7 by 8. It is not divisible, then put a 0 and then you can divide 72 by 8 is equal to 5. You can take some more examples. 7.25 divided by 0.25. Here also the numbers are equal, decimal parts are equal, so it will be 725 by 25, and dividing you can get the value 31. Now divide 1 to 8.9 by write the, see here decimal is after 1 decimal places are available, so 1289 divided by 100 and 1 place is available, so put a 0. Now write the number 1289, count the zeros 1 2 3 4 and insert the decimals 1 2 3 4, and you can take a 0, and in this way you can get the division. In this way, children, you can solve all the problems of the decimals in all the exercises. If you will face any problem, we will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.